Hi there guys, how are you? Now in this video I'll talk about the stolen generation. ये stolen generation क्या है? Now आप सबने पढ़ा होगा lost generation के बारे में, but this is something different. Stolen generation. And keep in mind that this is a question that has already come in UGC Net English. ठीक है, previous year question है ये. So it is very likely that even in future some question can be related to this, some fact related to this may also be asked in the exam. इसलिए ये जानना जरूरी है. Now पहले तो आप ये question देखो. Given below are two statements in which we have two statements and we have to pick the right one. और जो first statement है, Doris Pilkington's Follow the Rabbit Proof Fence is based on the experiences of the stolen generation. ठीक है? And then we have Nadine Gordimer's My Son Story. This is very famous. It deals with the colored and mixed race protagonists in the backdrop of apartheid. ठीक है? So these are two statements that you have to find whether they are true or not. They are correct or not. First of all, let me tell you that the first option, this is correct. ठीक है? बट आगे भी स्टोलन जनरेशन पे क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं. बट व्हाट इज दिस स्टोलन जनरेशन? ठीक है, दैट आई विल टेल यू अबाउट. नाउ दिस इज द बुक अबाउट विच दिस क्वेश्चन हैज बीन फ्रेम्ड. ठीक है, डोरिस पिल्किंगटन्स फॉलो द रैबिट प्रूफ फेंस, एंड दिस इज द राइटर. नाउ शी इज अ एबोरिजिनल राइटर. ठीक है, शी इज अ नेटिव एबोरिजिनल नेटिव ऑफ Australia, and we all know what are the hardships, what are the discriminations that the original inhabitants of Australia have faced. Okay, now of course many things are changing in Australia for the better, and this novel is based on her experiences. Okay, and you know there's a very famous film which has been made on this novel. ठीक है, Rabbit Proof Fence. ये फिल्म का नाम है. ठीक है, but before I tell you about the stolen generation in slightly more detail, in case you want to connect with me, you can connect with me on Telegram. ठीक है, and this is the link, Harsh Singh Sir Official. And let me tell you about myself that I've done my masters from Delhi University, Hansraj College. I've also written UPSC CSE mains twice with English literature optional, and for some time I've also worked as an assistant manager in a government sector bank. Now of course I teach full time. But coming back to the stolen generation, क्या है ये? See, basically it refers to the Aboriginal children, ठीक है, who were forcibly removed from their families by Australian federal and state government agencies and church missions under acts of their respective parliaments. ठीक है, होता क्या था पहले? In particular during this duration, it was thought by the white settlers of Australia that ये जो Aboriginal हैं, ये जो natives हैं, इनके culture का कोई अस्तित्व है नहीं, ज़्यादा दिन ये टिकेगा नहीं, and it is doomed to extinction. ठीक है, that is why they thought that it will be in the best interests of children to be raised in a white society. So करते क्या थे वो लोग? They used to take away the children from their parents and they were raised in foster homes, ठीक है, by white settlers. But of course rather than getting love of white settlers, the children were often abused and neglected. ठीक है, so ultimately this practice was stopped. ठीक है, मतलब बच्चों को पेरेंट्स से जबरदस्ती ये लोग सेपरेट करते थे उनके भले के लिए, लेकिन भला कभी हुआ नहीं उनका, उल्टा अब्यूज और निग्लेक्ट हुआ. एंड नाउ इफ यू रीड ऑस्ट्रेलियन हिस्ट्री, देयर हैज बीन अ रियलाइजेशन दैट दिस टोटल रेसिज्म and injustice must stop, and the Aboriginal people have faced great discrimination at the hands of the white settler community. And let me tell you that Doris Pilkington Garimara, this is her full name, she is not the only writer. ठीक है, और कौन से राइटर हैं जिनके बारे में आपको जानना चाहिए? किम स्कॉट, टोनी बर्च, सेली मॉर्गन. ठीक है, सेली मॉर्गन is there. So just remember the names of all of these writers. ठीक है, all of them in some of their works have mentioned the stolen generation. ठीक है, and if you want to do a comprehensive preparation for UGC Net English, then a new batch starts on the 14th of October. For enrollment or enquiries about enrollment, just WhatsApp us on this number 7678160296. ठीक है,